Okay, you can see I'm gonna test. I got 24 volts AC on the terminals, right? But I have no light here. They say I ought to get this blue status light flashing when I plug in the AC. That does not happen. I'll show you that right now. I'll unplug and replug. Nothing. Here's the trick. You have to have, I'm going to unplug it again. You have to have a battery. Even though you're going to run off the AC, you got to have a battery. So I put the battery in, and you can see it's working. Now watch what happens when I plug in the AC. Right here, do you see that? That shows it's charging. So that's what you need to do. It can't run without the battery, and this is the only way you can tell it's charging.